Travel bestie, I know you are tired of overpacking and forgetting your essentials. Let me teach you how to pack like a pro. Think about those 4 factors we discussed in the previous video. If you didn't see it, go back and watch it. Then make a decision on which bag you want to carry. In my opinion, a rolling carry-on luggage and a backpack is perfect. It gives you the freedom to move in and out the airport without having to stop at baggage claim. Now, while I'm teaching you how to be an expert at carry-on luggage only, you still want to check that airline's rules. If your carry-on luggage is over a certain weight, for example, there may be a fee. So you always want to check the weight, and of course you want to check the size to make sure that it's the perfect carry-on bag. Now, child, if you bring in a lot, you plan to check your bag, I would recommend you use a medium-sized bag, because if you use a large bag, you're going to throw everything under the sun in it, and then it's going to be overweight, which means when you get to the airport, you're going to have to rearrange, pay for the overage fees, struggle with your bag through the airport. And also, we don't check bags unless you packing wine. What's the length of your trip? If it's just a weekend trip, you can get away with a backpack or a duffel bag. For more tips on bag selection, check out my ebook, Packing Made Easy. The link is in my bio, and it's packed with everything you need to become a packing pro. Happy travels, and I hope this helped.